Prepare, position, and pre-oxygenate the patient with 100% oxygen. Select proper ET tube and style it if used. Have suction ready. If using a cuffed ET tube, inflate the cuff and check for leaks in the cuff by squeezing the pilot bulb. Limit each intubation attempt to 30 seconds with BVM between attempts. Using the laryngoscope, slowly introduce the blade into the infant's mouth, moving from one identifiable structure to the next. Recognize the tongue, then the epiglottis, and finally, the vocal cords. Avoid blindly inserting the blade. Visualize the tube passing through the vocal cords. Confirm and document tube placement using an in-tidal CO2 monitoring or esophageal bulb device. Auscultate for bilaterally equal breath sounds and absence of sounds over the epigastrium. If you are unsure of placement, remove the tube and ventilate the patient with a bag valve mask. Inflate the cuff with a manufacturer-recommended amount of air for the tube size you have chosen. In infants and children, this can range from 0.5 to 10 cc's of air. Secure the tube to the patient's face. Once the tube is secured, reassess tube placement and record the tube depth. If available, apply end-tidal carbon dioxide monitor, capnography, and record readings on scene, en route to the hospital, and at the hospital.